Let us solve for A and B. Given A plus B is equal to 20. AB is equal to 44. A plus B is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 44. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, we have A plus B is equal to 20. Let us make B the subject. B is equal to 20 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, AB is equal to 44. Let us substitute for B, which is 20 minus A. A bracket 20 minus A is equal to 44. Let us open the bracket here with A. A multiplied by 20. This is 20A minus A multiplied by A. That is A square is equal to 44. This can be written as minus A square plus 20A minus 44 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus A squared divided by minus 1. That will give A square. Then plus 20A divided by minus 1. That will give minus 20A. Then minus 44 divided by minus 1. That will give plus 44 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve it using quadratic formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 20, C is equal to 44. Then A is equal to minus bracket minus 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by C is 44 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 20. That is 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square. That is 400 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 44. 176 divided by 2. A is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 400 minus 176. That is 224 divided by 2. Now let's see 224. 2 into 24 here. This is 112. Then 2 here. Here we have 56. Then 2 here. 2 in 5, 2. In 16, 8. Then 2 here. We have 1 and then 4. Here 2 in 14, 7. 7 in 7, 1. So here we have 2 square. Then this is 2 square. And 2 multiplied by 7. A is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 2 square. We have 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 14, then divided by 2. Yeah. A is equal to 20 plus or minus 4 times 4, that is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Then root 14 divided by 2. This can be written as 20 divided by 2 plus or minus 4 divided by 2 square root of 14. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 10. A is equal to 10 plus or minus 2 root 14. Therefore, A1 is equal to 10 plus 2 square root of 14, and A2 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 14. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 20 minus A. B1 is equal to 20 minus A1 is 10 plus 2 root 14, and B2 is equal to 20 minus A2 is 10 minus 2 square root of 14. Then B1 is equal to 20. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 10 minus 2 square root of 14. B1 is equal to 20 minus 10. This is 10 minus 2 square root of 14. Here is the value of B1. Then B2 is equal to 20 minus 10 plus 2 square root of 14. B2 is equal to 20 minus 10. This is 10 plus 2 square root of 14. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 10 plus 2 square root of 14, 10 minus 2 square root of 14. A2, B2, this is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 14, 10 plus 2 square root of 14. These are the corresponding values of A and B. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. We may check to confirm if the answer is right or wrong. Let us check. To check, the given equations are A plus B is equal to 20. AB is equal to 44. Let us consider this. A plus B, this can be written as 10 plus 2 root 14 plus 10 minus 2 root 14 must be equal to 20. This cancel this. Then 10 plus 10, this is 20, is equal to 20, which is true. Let us consider this. AB, this can be written as 10 plus 2 root 14 multiplied by 10 minus 2 root 14 must be equal to 44. Here we have 10 multiplied by 10. That is 100. Minus 10 multiplied by 2 root 14. 20 root 14. Plus 2 root 14 multiplied by 10. 20 root 14. Then 2 root 14 minus 2 root 14. That is minus 4 multiplied by 14. Must be equal to 44. This cancel this. We have 100 minus 4 multiplied by 14 must be equal to 44. Let's see, this is 100 minus 4 times 4. Here is 16. Remain 1. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1. That is 5, which is 56. Must be equal to 44. 100 minus 56. This is 44. Is equal to 44, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and comment. This will help the channel to grow more. Thank you very much. Bye.